Hello, my name is Miranda Johnson, and today I would like to introduce a project-based learning example that I would like to propose. The title of this project-based learning example is Journey to the Red Planet, and the information for this project can be found on the mypblworks.org website. This project-based learning will be introduced to the third grade and may take place over a few days or the course of a week, as students will gain knowledge about the differences between our world and Mars. The project will be a STEM project, or a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics project, but it will also highlight many of the language arts standards as well. The following state standards that would be included under the language arts standards are KW 3.2, so students need to write informative or explanatory texts to examine a topic and convey ideas and information clearly. The next one would be KW 3.8, which is to recall information from experiences or gather information from print and digital sources and take brief notes on sources and sort evidence into provided categories. The final one that would pertain to language arts would be to KSL 3.4, which is to report on a topic or text, tell a story, or recount an experience with appropriate facts and relevant descriptive details, speaking clearly at an understandable pace. So during this project-based learning, the question that will be posed to students is, can humans safely explore Mars? So the learning framework for this project will mirror Bloom's taxonomy in the first three levels. The first stage of learning will be the remembering portion, and students will be put into groups, and together they will research the history of space travel and the conditions on Mars. They can create a timeline together of monumental moments in space exploration, as well as a visual representation of Mars and Mars's conditions. And the second stage of Bloom's taxonomy, which is understanding, the students in the same groups will be asked to create a compare and contrast graph for the conditions between Mars and Earth. And then they will decide which of these conditions on Mars may prevent a traveler from safely exploring. And the final stage, they will apply this knowledge in the form of creating an invention or innovation that they believe might allow for exploration of space in a safe way. This presentation may be a model constructed from art material, a drawn prototype, or a prototype created using an online tool. The students must also have a reasonable explanation for how this invention will work to protect the explorer in the unknown atmosphere and conditions of Mars. This will be an engaging and challenging assignment for students because they must work together, as well as work to imagine what exploring an unknown territory might be like. This will spark their creativity and ingenuity in trying to create from scratch an idea or concept to solve a problem. I think this would be a very fun and a great learning opportunity and a great way to find out how the science is applying to real life situations. Thanks. Bye-bye.